All right, let's fucking do this. Up, up, down, down, left, right, G. Oh, look, feet. Let's select some feet. Oh, file chosen? Yes, we did choose a file. Let's go look at the code, see what we did. So we have two hacks. We have these element hacks for loading and saving to and from the disk. We're going to initialize them to a custom nil type here. In the Filemob loadbox disk, this is now a message rather than an alert, because if we use an alert, it will cause a security exception here if that alert stays up for too long. The domain object element is going to be assigned to our global. We're going to test whether or not that element is nil, and this right here, this PNG binary array, is going to be the raw binary file that the user selects. If our domain object model element is nil, then we need to construct it and put it on the DOM. So elm DOM is going to be equal to an input element. It's going to be a file type. And once the user selects a file, this is the code we want to execute. So this registers the inline function. Here's our inline function that takes the first selected file by the user, puts it into the PNG binary array. Then here's where we're logging file chosen. We'll put some more logic here in the next video. And once we're done with constructing of this element, we do want to store it in our top-level global. So this is where we're doing that right here. So the next time we execute this function, we don't anticipate having to execute this again, because we only want one of these new elements. We only want one of these new elements to be created. We don't want to create a new element every fucking time. We're going to assert that elm DOM and this top-level global are the exact same object reference for sanity, and then we're going to invoke the click function, which is going to open the dialog. So this opens the dialog. Once we have selected a file, then this onChange function gets executed, which executes this, and that's how we get that file chosen message. Okay, so let's go down to the bottom. Here's what we did previously. Here's all of our footnotes. Here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, go here. You are on the fast playlist. Like, subscribe, send money.